If your bahay goals looks like this, blank, simple, ready for all your ideas, baka ito na yung project na para sa'yo. Welcome to Southdale Villas Phase 2 dito sa Tansa, Cavite. Dito, hindi lang basta bahay ang makukuha mo, kung hindi panibagong chapter ng buhay mo sa isang secured, maaliwalas at pwedeng-pwede mong i-personalize na community. Game ka na ba? Tara, house tour tayo! Tanong lagi ng buyers, anong itsura ng bahay sa labas ng turnover? Ganyan siya. Clean lines, painted cement finish, pre-painted roofing at steel main door for security. May lot area of 36 square meter and may floor area of 45 square meter. Sliding window sa harap, jealousy sa likod. And unit, may bonus ka pang corner window for extra light and ventilation. Ano ang laman ng bahay pag turnover? Ito siya, basic finish, cement finish ang sahig, plastered, at painted ng pader. Open plan for living, dining, and kitchen area mo. So kung hindi ka minimalist or gusto mo magpa-design, blank canvas talaga siya. Ceiling, metal deck, matibay. Ready na for your future's update. Pwedeng ilang kwarto dito. There's a provision for 2 bedrooms upstairs. Plain cement finish red. Bare ceiling, so ikaw ang bahalang mag-partition at mag-design based sa needs ng family mo. Windows are well placed, so natural light pasok pa rin. Dito naman ang toilet and bath. Deliver na in plain cement, may PVC door, basic plumbing, at own septic tank. So ready na for your fixtures, tiles, and personal touch. May laundry area ba? Yes, may service area sa likod. Perfect for washing, drying, and extra storage. Concrete, steel stairs, strong foundation. Kaya for future expansions, hindi ka na mag-aalala sa tibay ng unit mo. May amenities ba? Yes, meron kang basketball court, multi-purpose hall, at parks and playgrounds. So hindi lang bahay, kundi buong community na magugustuhan ng pamilya mo. Magkano magpa-reserve? Reservation fees 5,000 lang per Pag-ibig Financing is 13,000 to 18,500. Required income? Start to 38,000 depende sa unit. Pag-ibig Financing, kaya swak for long term. Just bring 2 valid IDs, 1 month payslip, and proof of billing para makapag-preserve ka na. Gusto mo ng bahay na ikaw mismo ang magde-design at magde-level up? Southdale Villas 2 ang sagot, best. Comment Southdale or DM us para ma-experience mo mismo ang vibe sa community na dito. And don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe ka na rin para lagi kang updated sa bago naming house tours at property tips. Again, this is Janice Madlambayan, your property specialist. Thank you for watching. See you sa next tour. Bye!